Hi everyone, trust you guys are doing amazing and taking really good care of yourself. Now in this video I'll not be telling you about Canada or anything about English, but in fact I'll be telling you that in case you want to order something from outside, then here are the 6 restaurants that you can order from. Well, I don't order regularly from Uber Eats, but yes, once in a while I do. And there are certain restaurants that from where I've ordered multiple times because the taste is good, and being from Delhi, taste is something I really crave for. And in Brampton, I hardly find any place that has taste, in be it in chole bhature or in chicken or in dal makhani or anything. So this craving for taste never ends. But I have got some good restaurants that you guys can definitely try from. So one is the chili chicken house. So you can order spice and pepper wings. These are chicken wings that will come 10 pieces if you order one set, and these are amazing. I have ordered this like multiple times over a year, and I'll be honest with you, the quality has gone up and down, but by far this is the chicken taste is good, and it's filling, and the quality is nice, and it's spicy and not yet spicy. So it's amazing. You can order, and for prices also, while I talk you'll see the prices on the screen here, right? So moving on, the next is Anokhi restaurant. This is Anokhi inspired dining, and again you can order their Avdi chicken biryani, or you can order their dal makhani or kadhai paneer. These have been tried and tested, and this is like, trust me, the taste is amazing. You love the taste. So yeah, this is, if you are fond of having chicken biryani. I've tried chicken biryani from a couple of other places over the past 1 year, but didn't like much because of so many reasons. But this is fresh, the quality is good, and is perfect for you if you're craving for a chicken biryani or a good dal makhani or a good kadhai paneer. So next is Brars. Now Brars, basically it is a little on the expensive side. It does has its buffet, but obviously it's not happening, so you can order from them. It is little expensive, but the food quality is good, although I don't like it's Chinese because it's more of like Thai Chinese and not the Delhi Chinese that we're used to having. So yeah, everything is good. The Chinese also will taste good, but it will not give you that feel because you are used to having those yummy noodles that obviously that they don't have here because they have a different taste, probably, whatever. But the food quality in terms of the dal makhani, the paneer, saag, anything and everything is superb. So you can try it from here. Next is Rajdhani Sweets and Restaurants. Okay, by the way, all this is something that you need to order most likely through Uber Eats. So because I ordered it from there. So here in Rajdhani, you can try, if you're fond of chane bhature, chole bhature. So if you're fond of this, then you can definitely try from here. You can also try chole bhature from Duaba. Okay, so all the restaurant names that I'm telling you, it's not in any order. If you will see, every restaurant has a specific dish, so it completely depends which dish you are fond of. If you're fond of chole bhature, then go for Rajdhani or Duaba. They taste different. I think yeah, it's in Duaba one that they have salt in their bhature, and salt and ajwain, and Rajdhani one doesn't have it, but both of them taste amazing. And also there's a little disclaimer, none of these restaurants or Uber Eats is paying me for saying all this stuff. I'm only sharing this because it's a hard-earned money, and I don't want you to just waste and try it and test, just hit and trial error and just select if this is good or not. Because once you order something, we order it from with a lot of love, and we really want to we really want the order to come out well, the quality to be well, and everything should be well. But when it doesn't come out, it's waste of money and it's waste of everything, and then your mood gets spoiled. So these are tried and tested items, and then you can order, and probably your mood won't be spoiled and you will enjoy all these. Also, if you're fond of South Indian, you can try Annalakshmi. We've tried their butter masala dosa. It is yum, healthy, quality is awesome, and sambar also tastes very well. The chutneys are amazing. Everything is good about it. So if you want to eat something, if you have an inclination towards eating South Indian, or you want to try South Indian, then do go with Annalakshmi and then order. I have personally ordered butter masala dosa. You guys can go ahead and explore if you wish to. And then last but not the least is McD. I'll tell you why the burger is not good. I feel that the burger for A&W is much better than McD. The only reason McD is on this list is because of my kid who loves a Happy Meal. So he has a set of Happy Meal which has French fries and chicken nuggets and yogurt, and of course a toy and a choice of your juice or drink. Maybe you want to have apple juice or you want to have chocolate milk. So it is only because of this reason McD is on the list, because kids will love it. They are fond of toys more than it, and also there's so many things. Kids meal, Happy Meal is something which will work wonders for them. But if you have an interest towards a non-veg burger, then do try A&W. There are many restaurants of A&W that are open 24/7, so you can definitely try. Oh, well, yeah, that's all about it. I'll also share certain restaurants that you should not order from, or at least I will not order from. I am not forcing you guys to not order from those restaurants, but that's what I will be doing for myself, and I'll just be sharing my experiences again. No one is paying me for promoting the restaurants or Uber Eats. It's completely what I feel like. I'm just sharing my reviews like we do it online. So yeah, let's see if you guys want to order something or not. Do write in comments if there are any other restaurants that I have not mentioned. I'm sure there'll be many, and if the taste is good, please do let me know in the comments. Take care, guys. Bye bye.